Just a really quick video to talk through a 300 TPI snowbike build. The very first thing that I would do is an injector relocation kit. I use a pin-it kit because a lot of the injector relocation kits do not work with a snowbike intake depending on where the injectors are placed. I've also deleted my oil pump, but I'm too lazy to get rid of the filler neck. I run a P3 carbon pipe guard because you can really tell when the snow's quenching the pipe. It cuts down on power quite a lot. I've resprung the forks with, for my weight there, I think they're 0.64 kilo forks. I got them from RMR suspension. I run a standard, I think it's a 158 degree thermostat. I tried the C3 Power Sports one and it just sat really weird against the tank, and I didn't enjoy, I just didn't like the fact that it was chafing. I don't run heated bars, they're just the standard Pro Taper bars that are on there. I've run heated bars in the past, not on this bike, but the pipe work sticking up, it's just too much of a risk for me. Like I'm concerned about ripping them out in trees and stuff. I'm using a CMX power adder intake, which you can get direct from CMX themselves. I removed the bottom half of the airbox and I've just cut up a load of old Lexan sheets that I had laying around, so it's cost me exactly nothing just to protect all the electronics that are in there. And I believe that is it. Very little supporting mods on these two strokes, and I'm a huge fan. A lot more fun than a lot of four strokes that I've ridden, and a lot easier to make a snowbike as long as you don't try to run a standard TPI. I did that for the first gear. This also has a TSP medium compression head and ECU, but I think you can just run the standard deal, to be honest. I think the most important thing is moving the injectors. Once you understand how the TPI system works, you realise that it's not exactly a good idea to be running it at extremely high RPMs and engine loads.
Oh man.